Hey y'all, this is going to be a quick demo on how to locate your unofficial transcript if you want to see what credits you have on record for the college. Go to the North Seattle College homepage and then you click Students right here. And then when you are taken to this page, you want to click the ctcLink icon in the top left corner of this icon block. When you are then redirected to the login page, enter your credentials. If you don't know what they are, there are web pages on the North Seattle College website that will help you find your credentials or reset them. But I use a password manager because I can't remember any passwords. If you get this page, click North Seattle College. If you've only ever attended one college, you might just have North Seattle as an option, or you might not get this page. Go to your left sidebar menu, select Student Homepage. Your sidebar menu might look a little bit different than mine because I am an employee of the college and there's some extra stuff there. When you're taken to the ctcLink student homepage, select the academic student records. So that'll be that icon with a bunch of graduates. Let's see. And then you're going to want to view unofficial transcript on the left sidebar. It might be the second option, it might be the third option. Again, choose your college if you've attended more than one college. And then you've got your unofficial transcript selected here. And then you hit submit. And then select today's date in this list. Select View Report. And then, so I'm using Chrome that has a pop-up blocker. So any pop-ups that I get aren't going to show up, but if I go to the right side of my URL bar, I'll see this little icon right here, and I'll click that. It says pop-ups are blocked on this page, and then it gives me an option to view my document. And then so this is my PDF. And from here you can, let's see if I can move this. Yeah, I can, nice. You can download it or you can print it. It's up to you. Okay, cool. Let me know if you have any more questions. There is a PDF version of the instructions that I'll put in the description of this.